Imagine sitting in your car, pressing the clutch pedal all the way to the floor, turning the key, and absolutely nothing happens. Or even scarier, the engine starts up while the clutch is still out, potentially causing the car to lurch forward. If you are dealing with a manual transmission vehicle from Dodge, Ford, Smart, Jeep, or Toyota, and you are seeing the code P080A, you are dealing with a clutch position, not learned error. This sounds complicated, but it is actually a safety feature gone wrong. Modern manual cars have a sensor, which is basically a switch, located right down there by your clutch pedal. Its entire job is to tell the powertrain control module, or PCM, whether you have pushed the pedal down or not. It completes a circuit that allows the starter to engage. When you get this specific code, the computer is confused. It has lost track of the clutch's position and does not know when it is engaged or disengaged. This is why you might see a check engine light or a transmission warning lamp. While this is generally a moderate issue, it becomes severe if the safety override fails and allows the car to start in gear. So you need to address this promptly to ensure your safety and the safety of those around you. Troubleshooting this begins with a little research and a visual check. First, look for any technical service bulletins for your car, as this might be a software glitch that the dealer needs to flash. If not, crawl under the dashboard and find that switch on the clutch pedal bracket. You want to look for obvious physical damage. Is the switch loose? Are the wires leading to it scraped, cut, or burned? Check the connector to make sure it is clicked in tight and there is no corrosion on the pins. Sometimes, simply unplugging it and plugging it back in cleans the contacts enough to fix the issue. If everything looks physically okay, you might need a digital multimeter. You need to check for voltage. When the clutch is up, you should usually see 12 volts on one side. When you press it down, voltage should transfer to the other side. If you are not getting power, you might have a blown fuse. So check your fuse box diagram. If the wiring is good, the sensor itself might be dead. However, here is the catch with the P080A code specifically. Sometimes the part is fine, but the computer just needs to relearn the position. This is called a calibration procedure. Some advanced scan tools can do this, or there might be a manual pedal dance sequence for your specific car. A common mistake people make is replacing the starter motor because the car will not crank, only to find out it was this inexpensive little sensor or a calibration issue all along. So, verify the sensor signal first before you throw money at expensive starter motors or solenoids.